So here we are going to discuss Agentic AI in very simple way. So let's start with what is Agentic AI. Agentic AI is not like a normal chatbot. In a normal chatbot, we ask a question. It gives an answer and it stops. In Agentic AI, we give a goal. Agentic AI is goal oriented. The agentic system works step by step to achieve that goal. Here, the system means the LLM, means the brain, and the tools means the hands working together. So here, brain and hands working together in agentic system. So here, brain and hands working together to achieve that goal. So the brain means LLM decides what should be done next, and the hands means tools perform the actions to achieve that goal. A normal chatbot has only a brain but no hands. So it can talk, but it cannot act. Agentic AI works because the brain means LLM and the hands tools work together, achieve a goal. That is Agentic AI. Just remember, Agentic AI means brain plus hands. Both are working together to achieve the goal. I know some of the terms may be new to you, but they will be clear when we will discuss a real example. Agentic AI has two main components. First, LLM, and second, tools. LLM acts like the brain and decides the next step towards the goal, while tools act like hands and perform the actual actions, right? So now let's understand Agentic AI with a real example, with a flight booking example. So you can see this is our flight ticket booking assistant. For better understanding, we are going to compare human agent with AI agent. Think of how a human travel agent works. You go there and ask to a travel agent, human travel agent, right? I want to travel from Ahmedabad to Delhi. Means you are giving just city names from one city to another city, right? You don't explain every step, which airline to choose, when to check prices, or how to book the ticket. You just share the goal. The travel agent figures out the rest, right? Agentic AI works in the same way. You give it a goal and it plans the steps, makes decisions, and takes actions to achieve that goal, just like a human agent. In the next step, the agent decides what to do first. What the human agent will do? Human agent would think, before booking, I need to know the price, right? Agentic AI does the same. So the first step is find the ticket price. Now in the next step, human agent checks available options. Human agent will check one airline, then another airline, and compare prices. Similarly, Agentic AI looks at the tools it has. Please remember, tools is nothing but Python functions or APIs. In our case, we are working with flight ticket booking assistant. Our tool can be flight search APIs, right? So the LLM means the brain selects the right tool to get the price. Once the price is received, the agent checks if the route is valid and also checks if the price looks reasonable. If something is wrong, it can try another option. Same as human travel agent. And here you can see, after this all, here is the price. Ticket price from Ahmedabad to Delhi is this 5,200 rupees. Now comes the human in the loop part that you can see here. It is just like a human agent. Human agent would ask, should I book this ticket? Agentic AI is also doing the same. Here you can see, do you want to confirm the booking? Here you can see the AI prepares everything, right? And the human makes the final decision. This is called human in the loop, Agentic AI. Now action is taken. If the user says no, the system stops. If the user says yes, the booking is done using another tool. The goal is now achieved, that you can see, right? So this is human in the loop, Agentic AI. Now let's discuss the same system, but fully autonomous. Now we change only one thing. We tell the system, if the ticket price is below 5,500, you can book it on your own. That's all, right? We are giving threshold. If the ticket price is below this, you can book it on your own. Human in loop is not required. That's it. First, copy this, paste it over here. We want to book the ticket from Ahmedabad to Delhi. Let's press enter. You can see all done. So now you can see what happens. The system checks the ticket price. It compares the price with our threshold value 5500. If the price is less than 5500, it books the ticket. That you can see here, the system is allowed to take the final action by itself. This is called autonomous agentic AI, that you can see, right? But very important to understand, autonomous does not mean the system can do anything. It only does what humans have already allowed. Humans still decide what rule to use, what price limit to set, when the system can act, when it should stop. So the system is controlled, but it does not need permission every time. This is autonomous agentic AI, right? So please keep this in your mind. LLM, the brain decides the next step. Tools means hands do the action, that you can see here, right? When the brain uses the hands to achieve a goal, that is agentic AI. So please remember, agentic AI is about doing work to achieve a goal, not just giving answers like normal chatbot. So finally, we can say agentic AI is a goal-based AI system where an LLM receives a goal, decides the next step, uses tools to take actions, check the results, and repeats this process until the goal is achieved or stopped. Hope all of you are clear with agentic AI. We are going to implement this from scratch. Don't you worry, right? This is just to introduce about agentic AI. That's all.